go ahead and click that airplane icon on the top right, and that will pull up the message window here. And here you could either click to chat with one person or multiple people. I'm going to show you how to do it with multiple people so we could video chat with up to 6 people. So go ahead and press the plus sign on top. Once you press the plus sign, it lets you pick the people that you've recently chatted with. So you could press the check mark next to all of them and add up to 6 people, or you could simply search next to 2, you could search for anyone. So literally anyone on Instagram, you could search and then you could select them this way. I'm going to remove these. I'm going to go back to my chat here and let me just go ahead and press plus, and I'll just pick these top 4 people for now, but you could pick up to 6 people. And I'm going to press next, and then it's going to create a group chat. Now, as you can see, I have 4 people inside of this group chat. Again, you could have up to 6 at the moment to video chat with. And here in the chat window, now this is the same with any chat window, 1 person or 6 people, you have a video icon on the top right. If you go ahead and press that, it's going to go ahead and call all those different people right here on your group chat. And looks like 1 person has joined here. And the cool thing is, if you press the icon on the top left here, it will minimize so you could continue to browse your Instagram here. And on the bottom, you could turn off your video and you could turn off your microphone if you wanted to. So those are all the options you have.